You want to make over $100 every day on YouTube without having to show your face? If that's the case, you come to the right place. I'll show you how to profit from one of the best YouTube channel ideas, the fitness and health niche. This cash cow YouTube niche appealed to me because it has one of the highest CPM. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make videos in the fitness niche without showing your face. Don't skip ahead in the video because you can miss out on some crucial information that will help you in accomplishing all of this. If you are unfamiliar with YouTube, making money on YouTube works because YouTube will put ads on your video once you get into something called the YouTube Partner Program. To qualify for the YouTube Partner Program, you need to have at least 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers. That might seem like a lot, but it can happen faster than you probably think. So, once you meet these requirements and get accepted to the YouTube Partner Program, YouTube will play ads on your videos. Every time a person watches an ad on a YouTube video, the person who uploaded that video gets a little bit of money. So every single time you watch an ad on those videos, you help the person who made those videos make money. Now there are two methods for using YouTube. The first approach is to entertain yourself, and I believe we all do so. However, the second way to use YouTube is to use it as a business and potentially improve your life. Many people's lives have been drastically transformed by YouTube, and my goal is that after giving you these techniques, yours will be transformed as well. Before we get into it, I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you know someone who's interested in growing their channel and dominating YouTube, then have them subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Like the video and comment on the video to help with the algorithm. Just imagine if you had $10,000 more in your bank account every month. Use my link in the description if you'd like to try an absolutely free YouTube course that can grow your channel from $0 to $10,000 and profit on YouTube without showing your own face, using your own voice, or making videos at all. I will show examples of cash cow YouTube channels. This channel today makes over $100 each day in this similar niche. The first channel I found is called Powerdirector, which has 4.2 million subscribers and is in the fitness and health niche, which means they produce videos about health, weight loss, what to eat and what not to eat, and other similar topics. The number of views each month that this channel receives is truly incredible. According to the Social Blade stats for this channel, these videos alone bring in nearly 22 million views per month, even though they don't even show their faces. It's just a voiceover on top of the video with various stock footage and other stuff in the background. This channel is expected to earn anything from $5,500 to $87,300 per month in ad revenue alone, according to Social Blade. Let's also remember that Social Blade gives channels a CPM range of 25 cents to $4 per 1,000 monetized playbacks. My research suggests that the fitness niche averages between $4 to $10 per 1,000 monetized playbacks. So, assuming this channel is monetized and has advertisements on it, we may estimate that it earns between $88,000 and $220,000 each month, which is incredible. I think it's on the higher end of the scale. People who create YouTube videos in these niches will make more money because more advertisers will advertise in these cash cow YouTube channel niches. Let me show another channel that is doing the same thing. A channel known as Body Hub has over 1 million subscribers and produces similar health content. I will also show you guys how to generate videos like these without even making the videos yourselves. Looking at the Social Blade data for this channel, we can see that it receives over 4 million monthly views. According to Social Blade, this channel may earn anything from $1,100 to $17,400 per month. However, I speculate at a CPM range of $4 to $10 per 1,000 monetized playbacks, this channel is making $16,000 to $40,000 a month. There are several hidden ways to monetize your channel that will allow you to make a lot more money than just from ad revenue, which I will show you how to do. Let's have a look at the format of these videos. As you can see, they produce videos such as 5 foods to eat to quickly gain weight and muscle. It has 8.4 million views, and if you click on it, you'll notice that it's just stock photos and videos in the background with someone doing a voiceover on top of the video and with captions. So if you want to make these videos yourself, all you need is a cell phone, which, don't worry, most people use when they start a YouTube channel. Creating these videos yourself will not be difficult. All you have to do is follow these 7 steps. Watch the videos I mentioned. Do your research on the topics you'd like to discuss. Take notes on the most viewed videos on certain channels. Discover what videos are the most popular on channels like Body Hub or Powerdirector. See which videos are getting the most views and recreate these videos in your style, in your own words. Write a script for these videos. Create a voiceover. And finally, find videos and stock images. I know you're wondering where you'll get content for your videos without worrying about copyright or anything like that. I will also show you where you can get free content for your videos. For example, you can use free websites like Pixabay, where you will find a plethora of images related to health and fitness that you can use in your videos for free. However, if you'd like to use software that will find the stock images and match them to your script, I recommend using Pictory or FlexClip. Links for both of those are in the description. If we go to Pixabay and search for fitness, for example, when you click on the image or video you wish to use, you'll notice that it's free for commercial use and requires no credit. That means you can use this image in your YouTube videos for free without giving credit to the person who took the photo or video. Pixabay.com allows you to download both photographs and videos in your YouTube videos. If you can't find the videos or images you are looking for on Pixabay.com, another option is to go to Pexels.com. Pexels is comparable to Pixabay. For example, if you're making a video explaining why jogging is excellent for your health, you can search for jogging on Pexels.com and find hundreds of photos and videos to use for free. Now I'll teach you how to put everything together into one video, including the voiceover, as you may have recorded it independently. If you were to record a voiceover on your phone and then edit it, you could complete the entire process from your phone. I recommend using an app called Powerdirector Video Editor, available for both Android and iOS devices. Another option for recording voiceovers on your phone is to get a cheap USB mic, such as the Blue Yeti Nano, and then record your voiceovers in Audacity, a completely free software, and then edit everything in OpenShot. Go to openshot.org and download it for free. If you can, I recommend doing this on a computer because it will make your life much easier. If you wanted to do this on a computer, you could transfer your audio files from your phone to the computer and edit them. They're using OpenShot if you don't have editing software. What if you don't want to create the videos yourself? What if you want to enlist the help of others to create the videos? If you wish to start running a different number of YouTube channels, you can do that. You'll be able to do this by putting together a video assembly line. You can outsource include script writing, voiceovers, video editing, and thumbnail design. The only portions of this process that you have to perform are coming up with video ideas and uploading and optimizing the produced videos. See, it's pretty straightforward to go to prominent YouTube channels and look at their most popular videos, then duplicate them in your style when it comes to video ideas. Instead of directly copying them, utilize them as inspiration to create your unique material until you find what works for you. Of course, you're probably wondering where you'll find someone to recruit for all of these tasks. One such source is Fiverr.com, where you may find different people that will create fitness articles if you go to Fiverr and search for fitness or health articles. Then you can have these articles voiced over. If you search for voiceover on Fiverr, you'll find several individuals who will do voiceovers for as little as $5, and then you can hire someone to edit the videos. Finally, you could hire someone to create the thumbnail. Another location to look for these professionals to join your team is Upwork.com. Now that you have learned how to make money from your YouTube channels through ad income, you can also make additional money through other monetization methods. What's monetization? Monetization is promoting your product or promoting other people's products and profiting from it. So how can you advertise items if you don't know anything about them? The best way to do this is through affiliate marketing, where you market someone else's product and get a commission every time someone buys the product. Did you know that you could discover a health and fitness section on clickbank.com? If you go to the health and fitness section, you'll find various advertising offers and potentially earn over $100 for each sale. So if you can sign up for a ClickBank account, copy the URL of the product you want to promote and paste it into the description of every single YouTube video you submit. Digistore24.com is another site that is similar. The previous channels I mentioned earlier, Bestai and Body Hub, are missing out on a lot of money because they don't use affiliate links in their descriptions. The fact that the products in the ClickBank and Digistore24 stores are digital means that you don't have to ship them to the individual who purchased them. The purchaser receives the product immediately. Because shipping the products is free, you'll make a lot more money on each transaction than if you just promoted something from the Amazon affiliate network, where you'll only make a small amount per sale unless you're marketing something extremely expensive. Some of you may be aware that my channel is associated with Matt Parr. He provides a variety of secret growth tactics for making money online in 2022 using YouTube cash cow channels. If you're interested, you can find his 100% free course under the description. It shows you how to make up to $30,000 each month online, just like he does. If you enjoyed this video, then check out this video on your screen that I've selected just for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.